Yeah, hold that one. Oh, let Maddie have one of them.
Lauren, you don't share.
Here, give it to Maddie. Thank you. Say thank you. Give him Maddie kisses. Yeah, give Maddie kisses. Hey, Maddie. 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 Maddie, look up here. Maddie, look.
Okay, fine. All I really need is the big girl.
Maddie. Maddie, look. It's Maddie. Why can't Maddie have one of them? Why can't she play with that?
Likes barbecue.
Aww.
Because Friday this awesome little barbecue restaurant.
You're not letting her touch nothing.
Hey, Maddie. Maddie, look. Maddie.
Love a princess party. And Princess Bella's
Get it.
going to be our guest.
Get it.
We want everything to be perfect. Let's see. We'll need a tea set, a gown, some rose perfume,
Oh.
and
She showed her how to do it.
You gotta push the button for her.
Where are you pushing?
Here, you gotta hold it down.
Okay.
Ah.
Go.